YouTube, it's me again. Just going to review basically an air breaker. We bought well, quite a while now. We've had this real good bit of kit. We use the canopy over the top from the van. It's like a thule omnis there. We just pull him out, settle him down, peg him down. I'd rather mess with the awnings and things, especially days like this. We always put a breaker up. It's more private. You can sit and have your food, and it's got all the windows were there. We looked at all different makes and models with them. The Vango air beams, we've had a couple of air awnings. I think we had 3 air awnings, Vangos mostly. Yeah, 3 Vangos. The Kalari 1, Kalari 2, we had another one, the new one. But I left them up on a touring caravan and they got damaged. So, but they are very good. Again, I should have took them down. But these air breakers, much easier than the poles. Because the poles, you know, they all split and you bang them into the ground. It's a nightmare. They're not cheap. I think the Vangos are very expensive. They were something like about the air beams, something like nearly £300 retail the Vango air beam. But with this behind me here, believe it or not, we bought it in Aldis, and it's the Adventure Ridge. It's the same type of thing. It comes with a pump, the bag, the pegs, the tie down. It's got one-way valves, so it doesn't go down like the old air beds used to have. You try and put the plug in as quick as you can. But I'll just give you a quick walk around now and you can see the quality of it. It pumps up to about 7 psi, but again, you can't over pump them, because with the pump it comes with, there's a blow off valve which will only allow you to go up to that pressure anyway. That's that. I don't tend to go up that pressure. You don't need to. It's a great bit of kit, easy to pack down, fits under the seats in the van, and like I say, I'll just give you a walk around. You can see what we're looking at. Let me spin the cam. Here we are. Let me go wide for you guys, if I can. There we go. You know, this is the breaker, guys. Really good bit of kit. It doesn't move. We had a couple of bits of wind over the weekend. I mean, that's probably 4 inches thick. It's peg down points there. You've got peg down points here. There's another one on the inside there. You can see it. You jump around. There's 2 there. Peg down kits there. Everybody keeps saying, where do you get your breaker from? And they won't believe when I say it's from all of these. So this is it. It's a 3-panel. You can buy them bigger, the Vango. You can get the 5, the air beams of the Vango. Again, they're more expensive, but it really is a super bit of kit. And when we actually pull the canopy out on top of the van here, it's basically like an outdoor awning really. It's really warm in there. It's great. We got a little heater. I'll do a review on that again. That's a really good bit of kit as well. So there's the breaker. It's Adventure Ridge. There you go. You can see plenty of windows on there, so you can have a visual. It's great, and like I say, it's superb just to put up and have a bit of privacy really on your pitch when you cook in and do whatever you're gonna do, whatever. And it does break a wind. It's nice and high as well. I don't know if I can stand. Let me spin this camera around for you. I'll try anyway. I'll show you. There you are. Let me show you if I can pan down. Sorry, pan down here. It's up to, yeah, it's up to my, well, just under my armpit actually. So it's quite an high thing. You know, you've got valves here. We spin it around again. So we flipping it around. And these are the valves when you let it down, and it's got open and close, just to release all pressure in these air tubes. But like I say, we've had it a little while. It really is worth the money, because if you buy a couple of them cheap ones, they rip, they tear, the poles split. But with these, you can pack them in the bag, blow them up. I can't remember how many pumps it takes, but not many. With a big pump it comes with. There's the valves. You know, you try to release the valve there, nothing comes out. And like the old days, you'd be trying to pump them up for hours, and then they'd lose all the pressure and you'd have to repump them. So there's a one-way valve, really good. So like I say, that's just a quick review on the Adventure Ridge air windbreaker.